Hey guys, welcome back to the channel with a brand new video. Today, we're showing you how to install the Super Kilometer filter on the latest Zeekr models. Let's get straight into it. You're now going to see footage of how to access the required plug for installation. First, we remove this cover in front of the gear shifter. Underneath it, there's a screw. Take that out. Next, move to the driver's side and remove this cover as well. Below it, you'll see more screws. Remove all of them. Now do the same thing on the passenger side. Take off this cover and unscrew everything underneath. After that, we move to this next trim panel, which is only held by clips. Once that's off, we have yet another screw here. Remove that too. Finally, there are just two more screws right here. Once those are out, you can easily pull out the entire center console trim like this. Now, you'll clearly see the system connectors below. We plug our filter directly into this connector. Place everything neatly back in position, and now let's move on to activation and modes of the Super Kilometer filter. You can download the SKF Speed version 2 app and control everything straight from your smartphone. Connect to the SKF device via Bluetooth, enter your odometer reading, and select your desired mode. On the Zeekr 009, we've got two modes. Mode On. Only 0% to 2% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode Off. 100% of the real mileage is counted. The Zeekr X uses the exact same setup. And on the Zeekr 001, we have Mode On. 100% mileage blocking. Mode Off. 100% of the mileage is counted as normal. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching and good luck with your install. See you in the next video.